Now we have 20 teams. I have 21 vehicles in our fleet, and we are rocking and rolling. And I love our clients. Our clients in Austin are badass. Hey, I'm Kelly Jedele, and this is the Kelly Jedele Show. Here's the lie we've been sold, that you have to pick the career or the kid, the big vision or the bedtime story. I'm calling it. That's not the deal. You can have both. I have built businesses for the last 16 years as a single mom, and you can do it without hustling yourself into the ground, but by choosing strategically every single day. This show is for the woman who wants the business, the brand, the freedom, and the family. All of it. So grab your coffee, your kid's juice box, whatever you got in your hand. Let's get into it. I'm so excited to be here with you and to have you join me in this adventure. We are off to a whole new adventure. I am in the time of my life, and I am so grateful that you are here to start this with me. Where will we be 6 months or a year from now? Let us go. So excited. I have had my cleaning company here in Austin, Texas now for 16 years. And I started this company back when I was 32 years old and my daughter was 6. And I remember from the very beginning when I was sitting in my office for my medical sales business, of which I got fired from, and that manager who wanted me to go away was feeling sad and upset, you know, all of the feelings that you go through as a hiring and firing manager. And I just looked at her, tears in my eyes, and said, I'm going to be just fine. And here I am, a few short 16 years later, having a $2.3+ million company and 45 employees. So we're doing just fine. We're doing just fine. And when I got fired and started my company, my daughter was 6 years old. I was a single mom. We had a teenager also that was with us. We had a neighbor who was just struggling at home, and so I just said, come stay with us for the summer. And she did. Oh my goodness, she did. So I remember the day I came home and they were in the living room, and I walked in. I was like, guys, I lost my job. And they, immediately were like, what are we gonna do? And I was like, your lives stay the same. You just keep doing all the summer activities, have fun. I'm going to go build a business. And I made business cards and flyers, and I went out and canvassed Austin. I put my cards in coffee shops on the little boards. I went to networking meetings. Shout out to all the Austin networkers, because I saw you every single week. And I made flyers and gave those to apartment communities so they could put it in their folders for all of their new residents. They love that. And I just grew and grew and grew. And it was so fun. Within 3 months, my calendar was full and I needed help. And so I hired my first employee. And the 6 months after that, I hired the first team that was separate from me. And the rest is history. Now we have 20 teams. I have 21 vehicles in our fleet, and we are rocking and rolling. And I love our clients. Our clients in Austin are badass. We have amazing clients that we love to take care of them, and we just have them on our calendar recurring. We make sure that we do our best, train the team, talk about mindset. We are teaching all kinds of things to help them grow as women and team members and employees in their career. And I just love it. So my life right now is my daughter graduated college. That's what 16 years will do. Holy cow. She is living her best life as a musical theater professional in New Jersey, New York City, that combo. And she is doing fantastic. By time this recording goes live, she'll be able to announce that she has her first New York show. I'm blown away. I'm so excited for her. Beyond her wildest dreams. I'm so excited for her. So we did life together, and she got to see me struggle and fail and fall and all of the things that happened. And now I am in a transition. So I'm in this midlife empty nest, menopausal moment where I feel like I would like to give back to women and help with women empowerment and women just out there claiming their power and encourage women to get out there and do all of the things that you want to do. That's what I want to be. And so I want to take my story and see where it can weave in and teach things and then find professionals and other people along the way to grow and build this as well. So as I'm in this season of life, I say, there's maybe some people that are a step or two, that are before me that maybe I can learn from, and a step or two behind me that I can teach. And that's where I'm at. And I am so excited. So this show, the Kelly Jedele Show, is for the woman who has it all on paper. She's got the career, the kids, the partnership, friendships, workouts, the neat house, and quietly she wants more without apologizing for any of it. So if that's you, you're in the right place. That is who we are talking to now. What to expect. So for this show, we are going to do solo episodes with yours truly. And then I'm also going to have guests, bold conversations with women that are in different stages of their lives, different professionals, different services that you can call on to have help for at home or at work, and just see where we can open up possibilities to learn and really grow and connect together as a community, as individuals. And that's very, very important to me. So you'll have real talk, no fluff, and we will be in it together. And I will be releasing episodes every single week. It's going to be a weekly podcast, and I am so on top of that. Very, very excited to go. So as we move through this, I want you to follow the show. That's very important. So if you're just listening, it won't actually follow the show. So you have to actually go through the motion of following, subscribing to the show. That will show me that you're wanting the show to continue. It will also allow us to get more people to sponsor and to follow the show, to give us more opportunities to get bigger people on the show. So if you'll do that for us and send this to one woman who needs it, you hear something in the show and you immediately think of your best friend, your neighbor, your sister, somebody, send it to her, share it with her so she can hear it. And then DM me on Instagram. Find me on Instagram. I'm Kelly Jedele, my first name, last name. And I would love to connect with you. I love going back and forth in DMs and following you and seeing what's going on in your life so I can be relevant for what's happening and make sure that I'm on topic and I'm on brand with what's going out there on all of the ages. Because I know that there will be women my age, but I also want to make sure that I'm talking to the women that are young mothers or young in their career or in their middle career and learning all of those different avenues. So remember, strong does not mean solo. Let's do this together. I'll see you next week. That's it for this week. If something in this episode hit, do me a favor. Send it to one woman in your life who needs to hear it. That's how this community grows, one honest conversation at a time. Follow the show, leave a review, and come find me on Instagram. I read everything. Remember, strong doesn't mean solo. I'll see you next week.